Hello, All Stars. Today is Wednesday, September 22nd. Let's find out what's on our calendar for the day. Wow, what color will it be and what will be on that card? Let's find out. Bum, bum, bum. Whoa, we have on today's calendar a group of 10 here and another group of, 10 here using tally marks. Plus, we have two extra to make 10, 15, 20, 21, 22 tally marks. Amazing. If you guess the color orange, you were right. We have a few things we're going to do. First, let's add another day to our days in school, which will now make, what number? We have a group of 10 days here, plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 14 days that we've been in school. And can you, All Stars, on a piece of paper at home, think about how you can actually make the number 14? Will you use tally marks? What math facts can you write down? What objects can you draw? How will you make the number 14? After you work on that, we have some more things to do. I want to share with you. We've been talking a lot this school year about nickels and pennies. So we have to find out, what are we going to collect this day? Let's check and see. Let's click on our spinner and find out what we're collecting for the day. We added another penny to our spinner's information. So now we have 2 pennies that we've added on for the week. Very good, All Stars. Very, very good information. I do want to share, I'd like you to pull out your number corner book. Your number corner book has blocks on the top of it. It has the words number corner at the top. And then it has what looks like a person made of shapes on the front of it. That's the book I'd like you to pull out. Once you pull it out, I'd like to have you give me a thumbs up. We are going to actually work in this book on page 4. Page 4 looks like this. It has a frog at the top of it. And it says the first decade day. I want to teach you something. When we talk about the word decade, decade starts with a D. D for decade. Decade is another way of saying a group of 10. A group of 10. And I want you to keep that in mind because we're going to be doing a lot with counting the school year and counting in groups of 10. I want to do a quick activity with you. I want to actually pick a number on our number line, and I want you to actually hop using our friend Tad, who is our frog friend here, to help you count from the beginning of our number line all the way to the number 9. Let's hop and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great jobs. Here's what I'd like you to do now. I'd like you, in your book on page 4, to trace over each number that you see on this line. Trace over each number. After you have finished tracing over each number, your job is to actually do one thing. You can write all of the numbers that you see on this line, or you can pick one number that you really want to practice your handwriting with. I'm going to pick the number 0. I want to practice that. So I'm going to keep writing 0, 0. Oh, that one was a little messy. So I'm going to erase that one and make it a little neater. I'm just going to continue to practice writing that number on these lines. You can, as I mentioned, write all of the numbers. But the reason we're doing this is to practice writing our numbers in our very best handwriting. So you have 2 lines, these lines here and these lines below, to actually practice writing your numbers. Once you do that, you have a job down here. Your job for question number 4 says, what number comes after 9? You have to think about it. Then they want you to write down your answer right next to the question. After you do that, you have a job to do on the bottom of the page. Your job is to write math facts, or what we call equations. Equations is another way of saying facts that equal the number 10. So in this case, we have 10 minus something would equal another number. Then we'd have our numbers that we pick, something plus another number that equals 10. You have the opportunity to write down not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 ways to make the number 10. I know you can do it. Can't wait to see your amazing work. Enjoy.